this morning. Ashish, hi, over to you. What is your recommendation on specific stocks as well as the kind of weakness we're seeing for the markets levels?
Yeah, good morning. See, Nifty had a support level of around 11,490 on spot levels, which is now taken out. So what is important to see is, are we going to meander around this zone for some time today and again try to cope up above 11,500 by today, end of the day, or maybe tomorrow? Then that's nothing to worry about. But in case we end up breaking 11,380 as well on the downside, then the selling pressure might again start towards the level of 11,300. So I'm not seeing a very drastic, strong move in either direction. I think we are going to probably look forward whether we manage to protect 11,380, which is the trendline support. If we break that, then we might again go down by 50 points. In case we manage to break above 11,490, 11,500 today or tomorrow, then we might again see a pullback towards 11,600. So it's a range-bound market, and one should adopt buying near the support and selling near the resistance. That is the strategy that one has to follow in this market. And from stock specific perspective, I think the first call is on the short side is ZEEL. We can clearly see that ZEEL Limited has continued to move on the downside. The pressure has been tremendous. The stock is even collapsing in today's session, so one can initiate short positions, keeping a stop loss of 264.70 for the target of 244.20 on the downside. The next stock is GLENMARK from the pharma space. GLENMARK has been a drastic underperformer. It has been moving below its 20 and even 10 days moving average, both of which are bearish, and the trend line is moving on the downside. The channel is negative. So one can short GLENMARK at CMP, stop loss of 334.40 for the target of 308.40. And on the buy side is ICICIPRULIFE. We can clearly see a very strong outperformance in the stock, moving independent to the broader market, which is very essential in current scenario. It is moving independent, and that's why one can create long positions over here, keeping a stop loss of 454 for the target of 491.50.
Okay, Ashish, thank you very much. So Ashish, basically